Let's talk about the Contact Manager. Start up here with our menus. New, Edit, Publish, Unpublish, Archive, Check-in, Trash. Those are all the same as any other component in Joomla. Under the Options menu, you have the ability to set up a number of different things for the Contacts Manager, and it's much more enhanced than it used to be. We can have different layouts, different categories, show the contact list in addition to the actual contact. All of the different ones out of the box. This is the global configuration, how your contacts will be listed. You can change that by each contact, or 5 additional links for a particular contact. One of the advantages to the new overhaul with Joomla is the encyclopedia style contact manager that you can create. It's kind of like a wiki, and I'll show you that in just a minute. You can have your own icons for all of your contacts, which is really nice. These are the global parameters for your category, the layout, the title, description, image, etc. This is your contact category options page, what kind of list layout options you have, and you can again set those to how you want them to be. The actual form, you've got the ability now to change your form up a little bit, whether we're going to show the contact form, show the copy to a submitter, ban any emails that have been pestering you, have a session check, a custom reply if you want, and a contact redirect. So no matter who it gets sent to, the information will get sent to a particular email address. And then finally, of course, permissions. So now let's talk about categories. Categories are simply the same as articles. What categories you want your contacts to be in. They can be by department, by division, whatever you want. But now another new interesting feature is the ability for the contact component to act like a wiki site. So let's say we wanted to set up a wiki for our fruit encyclopedia. We could create a category for each letter of the alphabet, and then contacts could be used as wiki articles in each category. Well, let's take a look at normal contacts, and then we'll look at how this wiki thing works. Here's a normal contact. The name, the alias, link it to a user if you want, what category it goes in, much like an article, whether it's published, whether it's public, is it featured, and information about the contact, the details for that contact, the image, what position they hold, their email address, street address, and all of those things, and then what's actually displayed. Do we show the category? Are we showing the contact list, the display format, the name, the contact position? All of those things, you can use them. The global settings that we set up in our options menu, or you can change them specifically for this contact. You can add Twitter, YouTube, Ustream, whatever you want here. You have 5 options for additional links for a person. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. On the new Contact Us page, then we've got a slightly different layout. The name would go here. There's my icon that I had, the address information, the contact form, pretty much the same, and then other information about the contact. Here's that links. Once I change that to show, here are the links that was associated with that contact. And so you've got a lot of options here for the Contact Us page. But let's take a look then at a wiki style. The tamarind, of course, is a fruit, and it's under the T category, which we can see under our fruit encyclopedia. I can put in some details about that fruit. I can have an image to that fruit. I can give it a scientific name, the address for the article on that fruit, what family they're in, and again, I don't have to show these fields. I just show what information I want to show. And then I use my display options here to show the right thing. Let's go take a look and see how that works. Here's the contact for the tamarind with the image that I had, the credits, the description, scientific name, family, and large producers, and then the links that were included for this particular wiki article. So you can get creative with the Contact Manager now and do a lot of different things, including your very own wiki.